Join me as I take on the challenge of drinking lemon water every day for a month to see if it really can change my life. Lemon water has been gaining popularity in health circles, and I'm curious to explore its potential life-changing impacts. The idea of incorporating something as simple as lemon water into my daily routine seems almost too good to be true, but I'm excited to dive in and learn more. Many of us face daily health issues like dehydration, fatigue, and a lack of essential vitamins. These problems can be really frustrating, especially when we feel like we're trying everything to solve them. Sometimes, the simplest solutions are right in front of us, but we overlook them. Dehydration, for instance, can sneak up on us, causing headaches, dry skin, and low energy levels. Fatigue is another common issue that can affect our productivity and overall well-being. It's easy to reach for a cup of coffee or an energy drink to get a quick boost, but these solutions don't address the root cause of the problem. A lack of vitamins can also lead to a range of health issues from weakened immunity to poor skin health. Incorporating healthy habits into our daily routine can seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be. Drinking lemon water is a simple change that can have a significant impact on our health. By making this one change, we can start to feel more energized, focused, and prepared to take on the day. So what makes lemon water so special? For starters, it helps with hydration. We all know how important it is to drink enough water throughout the day, but sometimes plain water can get a bit boring. Adding a slice of lemon can make it more enjoyable to drink. Plus, lemons are rich in vitamin C, which is essential for a healthy immune system. Drinking lemon water can also support digestive health. The acidity in lemons can help stimulate digestive enzymes, which can improve the way our bodies process food. Some people even claim that lemon water has detoxifying properties, helping to flush out toxins and leave us feeling refreshed. The benefits don't stop there. Lemon water may also help boost our energy levels and even support weight loss. The vitamin C in lemons can help brighten our skin and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. One of my friends tried drinking lemon water every day for a month and saw significant improvements in her overall health. She reported having more energy, better digestion, and even clearer skin. Her experience inspired me to try it out for myself and see if I could achieve similar results. Incorporating lemon water into our daily routine can have a profound impact on our health. It's a simple, effective way to stay hydrated, boost our immune system, and support digestive health. The best part? It's incredibly easy to make. All you need is a slice of lemon and a glass of water. If you've had any experiences with lemon water, I'd love to hear about them in the comments below. Also, be sure to check out my next video where I'll be sharing more healthy habits and tips to help you live your best life.